Baby, I'm fabulous. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice, and y'all already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me hair. They sent your girl over this casual blonde highlight C-part HD lace minimalistic curly glueless wig, honey, and baby, she's a keeper. Before we get into the nitty-gritty and the details of this unit, we're gonna go ahead and install this unit so you can see just how quick and easy it was to throw this beauty on, and I'll be back with my final thoughts and a cute part go. What's up? We are about to get into another unit. I am so super duper excited. We are about to get into this gorgeousness right here, y'all. Do y'all see the gorgeousness? Okay, yes, them curls are popping. That curl is amazing. That color is fantastic. Yes, y'all know it's summertime, or about to be summertime and springtime right now, and we about to throw in some color. All right, so let's get into it. This should be very simple and easy to do.
Been like, woo, big moves. My rule.
Okay. All right, look at this. This is cute, and it fits really good on my head, y'all. It fits so comfortable on my head. It's not too tight and it's not too loose, and it fits really nice. I am liking it a lot. This is a left part unit. Let's get into this lace. This hairline is looking amazing, y'all. Really amazing. Good, y'all. Do y'all see? Like this? It's looking pretty good. Okay. All right, Love Me. Okay. I also like that the edge pieces are not, you know, that white, that hard white piece on the side. I'm liking that. So it's a seamless looking glueless type of unit. Liking that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna spray it down so we can get all the flyaways out the way. All right, now that we got the flyaways, I'm just gonna clip it back. I should have got me a little scrunchie to put on, but that's okay. We're just gonna clip it back, and boom, the hair is out the way. So what I'm gonna do is clip the sides down so this unit is not moving anywhere. This unit does fit ear to ear. As y'all can see, ear to ear. It does fit ear to ear. And it fits amazing, y'all. Like, this cap feels so good on my head. I'm really liking it. Okay, y'all, I had to go get something to tie this hair back while I cut this lace. There. Now we can get into this lace. Okay. What we're going to do now, let's see, I'll pull it back some because my hairline is not all the way down there. Okay. We are going to cut the lace, and then I'm going to get my eyebrow razor. Y'all already know what's about to go down. We about to cut it with this eyebrow razor, and this lace is so good. Did y'all see how good this lace is? Like, it's amazing. Like, let me show y'all again how good this lace is. Like, y'all, really? This is absolutely amazing. So let's finish cutting it. And this lace is so good. You gotta be very careful how you cut this lace, or you'll be cutting the hair, because this is some transparent lace. You hear me?
Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I look for it. Countdown for me.
Boom, y'all. Boom. Do y'all see? Boom, y'all. So now that we cut the lace, we about to get into this hair. And y'all, that's gonna be it for this unit. This unit is not very hard to put on, so it is 100% beginner friendly. What I want to do is spray it all the way down with some water.
It's my time.
All right, y'all, I done sprayed it down, and now what I'm going to do is use my African Pride Miracle Moisture Curl Mousse in the rose water and argan oil. This stuff is amazing, y'all. It's absolutely amazing.
This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting.
Next, I'm gonna go in with my Can 2 Natural Hair Dry to Knot Moisture Seal Gel Oil. Again, absolutely amazing unit. Absolutely amazing product. It keeps the curls in for a few days before you have to refresh the curls. All right, go in with my Denman brush and just brush everything in. So this is a C-part unit, and right now the part, it has lost itself, so we're gonna put the part back. So they give you a generous amount of space for where you want to put your part. I like it net. So if you want a lower part or a higher part, you can do that with this unit. Okay, y'all. Okay, love me. Okay, I see you. You doing your thing, honey. So this is how it looks wet.
This grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got.
Y'all see how gorgeous this is? Like, honey, yes, this is so fabulous. Them curls are just relaxed. It has like a relaxed, chill vibe type of curl. Like, this is so cute. I am loving the loose waves. Just give you a vibe. Okay. So what we're going to do next is we are going to diffuse the curls, and because y'all know I like big hair, but not too big, but big enough. So we're gonna diffuse the curls so we can see how it looks dry. As you know, since we done defined the curls, now we are going to diffuse the curls, give it some more volume, see how it looks, you know, more dry. So let's get to diffusing.
I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now.
Alright, y'all, so here she is. Like, she is diffused, and baby, let me tell you, this hair is so soft. Do y'all see the highlight curls up and all through there, baby? She's looking absolutely fantastic. She's looking amazing. Okay, it's amazing to touch. It's so soft. I like the relaxed feel of the curls. They just like effortlessly there. I'm loving everything about this unit. I'm not getting a lot of shedding. I am getting some, but it's not a lot. It's not like I'm getting handfuls of hair, but you do get a little bit of shedding, but that is to be expected in curly units, okay? But this is very minimal shedding. It doesn't get any tangles when I brush through it or finger comb through it. The curls, as y'all see, are gorgeous, and the color is amazing. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just right. It's perfect for this unit. And this is a LUV curl. I've never had a LUV curl before, but baby, let me tell you, it's a keeper. It's a must-have, okay? This is another one to have in your wig rotation, okay? And y'all already know the number one reason why you should get this unit is, I mean, it is many reasons why you should get this unit, but one of the best reasons is that it's glueless, baby. It's glueless, okay? All you gotta do, y'all see that? Okay, pop that thing on and go, baby. Just look at, y'all see this? Okay, do y'all see that? This is a great unit to have to go to work, to church, date night, like any occasion, any day of the week. If you want to run errands, if you just want to look cute at home, this is a great unit to have. If you need to get up and go real quick, like, but you still want to look cute, grab her, put her on, and you are good to go, okay? Be ready for your spring vacation or your summer vacation anniversary. Mother's Day is coming, y'all, and you know you want to look fabulous for Mother's Day, for all my mothers out there. Or if you want to give this as a Mother's Day gift, this is a great unit to give to someone who loves wigs. And don't worry about if you don't have no experience. This is a zero skill install. As y'all saw, it didn't take me no time to cut the lace, get it together, and y'all see, baby, I'm fabulous. Go ahead and pick this unit up, honey. So let me show you the bag. She's a keeper, baby. I just want you to know. You better go to Love Me Hair and grab you some more. Let me stop playing with y'all. This is a great unit to have. Go ahead and pick her up as soon as you possibly can, honey, because she is hot, 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 baby. She's hot. She's a 10 out of 10. So let's get into the details of this unit, baby. Let me tell y'all all the tea on this unit. This is the new special Fumi curl, baby. Okay, it is created to give you a relaxed and casual vibe. Let me tell you, baby, I am relaxed. I am vibing. It is a high contrast blonde highlight unit. Y'all see that blonde all up and through there? Okay, y'all see it? Don't act like y'all don't see it. Y'all see it. This unit is suitable for all faces. Very versatile, and y'all already know this unit is glueless. Okay, glueless and beginner friendly. Do not be afraid to try this unit. If this is your first unit ever, this is a great unit for you because it is glueless, it is easy, and it doesn't require no skill at all. This unit is shoulder length. It is 12 inches. It is effortless and it is low maintenance. Y'all already know, with us being busy moms, wives, college students, or just women in general, okay? We need something that is quick and easy and doesn't require us to do a lot of maintenance too. This is a great unit to have. Again, it's a great unit to have in your wig rotation. Y'all already know that this unit is extraordinary quality, okay? This is luxury. This is elegance. This is class, baby, all right? Traceless, super transparent lace. Y'all don't see that lace, baby, okay? This is scalp, baby. Scalp, okay? Scalp. Y'all don't believe me? Let me show you. Y'all see how good this lace is. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Okay, y'all can't tell me this ain't my hair. It is a great protective style. So if you are in between hairstyles, you can put this unit on and it's gonna give you scalp. It's gonna give you like it's coming right out of your head, okay? So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This unit is 12 inches long. It's 100% human hair. It's 150% density, and it should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. The hair color is a blonde highlight, and as y'all can see, the hairline is pre-plucked. I did not do any plucking to this unit. I just cut the lace and put her on. Yes, this unit can be dyed, so if you want to put a little more highlights in it, or you want to change it to a different color, you can do so in this unit. It does comes with an adjustable strap and an attached band to help you give you that glueless effect. With the attached band on this specific unit, it does come adjustable, so you can tighten it or loosen it up as you please to help you give you that glueless effect. And like I said, it also comes with the attached straps as well. It comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the back. The lace is top Swiss HD lace, okay? It's transparent. Y'all can tell me y'all see no lace, okay? And the lace area is minimalistic. This is a C-part unit, so you can only part it on the left side. They do give you a generous amount of parting on the left side, so if you want to go down with your part or up with your part, you have a good amount of space to do that as well. This unit is minimalistic, baby. You don't have to do a lot to this unit. A great, easy, beginner friendly, throw on and go type of unit. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested in this gorgeous unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you, you know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and tell all your friends and family about your girl. If you would like to see what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out the next video, and I'll see you over there. Bye.